Hey guys, it is Lily, and today I will be playing Animal Jam. And so today, if you don't know, it is summer. No, it is spring while I'm filming this. And so I thought, oh, they came out with the new carnival and everything in Animal Jam. And also, I'm in my sunroom slash plushie room. So I was like, why not? How about we get some beautiful tickets? Because I only have 581. So let's go ahead and go into Jamaa. It is so hot in my room right now. Oh, I love those wings. Okay, so we're gonna go right here. And now we're in the carnival. And I honestly love most of the games here because they're all just so fun. So let's go ahead and get this. Um, I have touchscreen, so uh, that's a disadvantage for me. I don't know. That's an advantage. I don't know. That's an advantage. I don't know. Those are like always hard to get. Okay, so as you can see, this game is super hard, especially to get the gold ones. Sorry, that's my nails if you're wondering what that is. It's hard to type this screen without hitting your nails. Oh my god, that's the best I've ever gotten. 242 freaking tickets. I now have 823. It's so hot in my room. I'm gonna go turn on the fan, which will take about 3 seconds. I don't think it's on yet. Will you hurry up and keep get some coolness in my room? Thank you. Okay, so it's still hot, but let's go ahead and get some cotton candy because you know you always gotta. Let's go with this one. I've never used this one. So let's go with, I'm thinking whatever this color is, like a tannish pink. And then orange. Orange is like one of my favorite ones out of all of them. And then, gotta be perfect. Gotta be perfect. Oh, whoa, whoa, no, 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 Felicia. Sorry, that's cringy. No, we we have to get this. Okay, we have to do this. We have to do what my plan is. Okay, white, yellow, orange. Look at this. You see that? That's a candy corn, I believe. Let's play this candy game. I don't know what I'm doing. Grab this. No. It's a lot easier with your mouse. It's so hard. I couldn't get that one because it was right next to a phantom. I just caught like 80 phantoms. I just said phantoms. Sorry to all y'all Animal Jam lovers out there. Oh my gosh, this is a lot harder than I think it'd be. Go, go. No. I'm really struggling. Oh, yes, right there. Yes, yes. I suck at this. Oh my god, oh my gosh, there's a high score of 22,000. I bet I could beat that, but let's just go back to the game I originally was playing, this one, because I'm the bomb at it. Originally, okay, yeah, now we're getting some cool air in here. Okay, so we're gonna try and get all the phantoms. So that part was hard. There we go. I got 350 this time. That is what I am talking about. Okay, whoa, it filled up my screen. So I now have 1,200. I used to suck at this game. I used to suck at this Carnival game. So let's go ahead and go check out if they have any more. Yes, they definitely have more, but they have the dart game, which I suck at. I suck at that game. This looks fun. This looks real fun. It's a phantom. Woo! Yay! Sorry, that was so cringy. Will you stop laughing at me? Ha! Look who's laughing now. Oh, crap. Yes. Ha, ha. Oh, heck. Yes. Yes. I got, I got 30 tickets. Hey, it's done raining. It was hailing. My dad put his car out there on purpose so it could get ruined, so then he can get free money to pay for it, yet he's not actually gonna do it. No! I didn't get the 300. No. Oh! 300! Oh, come on. I'm so ticked off right now. I have a question. Have you watched, no, wait. Have you guys watched, what's it named? Karate Kid? I love that show. I think it's a movie. Yeah, I think it's a movie. I am sucking at this. Oh my. It's just lightning out. That is scary. Ooh. I got 33 tickets from that. I could just go back to that one game and win all of the tickets I like. Let's go. Let's go in the bouncy house. Let's go in the bouncy house before we go play that game. Look at me, aren't I great? The slide is the best part. Wee. Okay. It's so hot in my room. And I'm scared to turn my fan on to 3. So we have like a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, and a 6. And so the 6, you definitely don't want to put it on unless it's like an actual, like, it's like legit, like super hot out. Like 200 degrees out. And it's like soaking into your room and it's like super hot in your room. But that, you definitely don't want to use that because it might break your fan. Oh gosh, it's starting to rain again. That's really scary. I'm joking. Ooh, I got 227 tickets! I freak out too much. That is what I'm talking about. Now we can get ourselves some items for my person. I want the mirror balloon so we can have some good luck, you know. And you always gotta wear the mirror. You always gotta wear the mirror balloon. I'm telling you, always have. You guys couldn't hear me. I was like, you always gotta wear the mirror balloon. Okay, let's go ahead and try to work ourselves up to 2,000 tickets so I can go ahead and get myself. Wait. Are you kidding? It's already starting to rain again. It's so hot in my room. I don't know, but all of a sudden my room's like just 8 million degrees. Yeah, if you can hear that, it's like really faint though. It's probably like super faint and maybe not even can hear it on the camera. It's rain. I got It's coming back. It just rained a ton and it's already coming back. Period. Okay. I think. Ooh, this person got a headdress. They're not gonna. I'm gonna give them this. Give them a necklace for a headdress. They accept. Oh my guckiness. Okay, Illuminati. Why do people? Sorry, I like this voice. But why do people say Gucci when it's spelled Gucci and not Gooci? I think I think it should be pronounced Gucky myself. I honestly don't know what that was. Okay, here they're not gonna accept. So guys, I'll be right back once I get tickets. Okay, guys. So I hit 2,000. So we're gonna go ahead and get ourselves a beautiful mirror. I don't know how. Mirror. I think it's mirror. Mirror balloon. Look at this beautifulness. That will give you luckiness on faith. I for sure do. I don't know why I just kept saying hi. Okay, so since I feel like it's actually gonna work, we're gonna try and trade this girl for some she has. Like maybe this. Let's go ahead and trade her some uh some special rares for this rare. Are you trade her? I hate when that happens. Our cotton candy expired. Let's go ahead. Whoa. Oh, you can go farther than you think you can. It's like you're inside it. Did you know that? Hey, they copied me. That's whatever. That was stupid. Why don't they have like every color? Like legit every color. Let's go with some purple up in here and some black. I don't think I've ever had black cotton candy, honestly. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. You know what I realized? I keep saying, oh my gosh. I don't know. I don't have a pet on. My pets are beautiful. Oh, okay. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. I love this pet. Look at how beautiful it looks. By the way, the reason why my outfit is red, but I got a blue mirror is because it's more locked. Well, guys, I'm gonna end this video right here. I'm gonna go to my den and end the video because I got my mirror balloon and my 2 servings of cotton candy. We are good. Okay. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe. If you want to send me gifts on Animal Jam, my username is SnowyLily54, all lowercase. And yeah, make sure to subscribe. The like challenge is hit it with your nose and comment down below. And yeah, love you guys. #NibbleFan.